for sale. I'm helping my friend sell his super rare 1969 Cougar Eliminator. It's one of only 101 ever made. It's a Hertz rent-a-racer. Never even knew they existed up until recently. Anyway, it's a total survivor car. It's only got 23,000 original miles. All original, matching numbers. Always a California car from day one. Garage in Palm Springs since 1988. Got the original bill sheet, factory invoice, factory power sunroof. Runs and drives really well. If you have any questions, call or email me. 714-757-8437. Or my email is rpmron@gmail.com. Check out my YouTube channel, rpmron Mustangs, for other Fords and Mustangs I have for sale. And muscle cars. Thank you.